All right, this is Saigon, Vietnam. This is Continents and Condiments, Viajes y Comidas. And we're in Saigon having a very special dish. It's called Banh Uot. And as you can see, this is all laid in front of us. Banh Uot starts with this very thin pancake that is made of rice flour and tapioca flour. And the man out in front just lays down this very, very thin dough, picks it up with his stick, and just slaps it on this white dish. And then we fill our own and then dip them in all these beautiful dipping sauces. It's very simple, it's delicious. We have cold cuts. We have deep fried chicken all the way over there. We have sour mango. We have pickles. And all of these different Vietnamese dipping sauces. So Federico and I are the two luckiest guys on earth right now because we have local friends dining with us. This is Rosemary. Yes, she's gonna be shy. Say hi. And this is Banh. Hi, everybody.
Amor y buen provecho.
Bon appetit.
Yes.
If you like this video, like and subscribe.